So the sixth area in the BCS Foundation Certificate in User Experience syllabus is interaction design. Let's have a look at the kind of things that are being covered in the syllabus here. So we're looking at things like describing different user interface design patterns. You should be aware of the various or the main types that are there, and also be aware about how you would go about finding others. You should be able to choose the correct interactive control in the user interface design. In other words, should it be a drop-down menu? Should it be a radio button? Should it be a checkbox? What's the appropriate control to use in various situations? You should be able to describe how the choice of user interface control has an impact on the time it takes users to achieve their goals. That means being aware of something called Fitts law. You need to be able to define the concept of progressive disclosure and state the difference between interaction design and information architecture. Sometimes they're confused. You should be able to explain why user interface consistency is an important design principle. What's behind that? Why does that matter? And you should be able to state the importance of focusing on the user's tasks when designing the flow of a user interface. You need to be aware that that's absolutely critical. So here's an example of the kind of question that you might be asked in the exam to do with interaction design. In this particular one, it says, consider two alternative designs for an electronic form aimed at users who complete the form several times per day. In design A, the form uses 10 text fields where users type and tab to the next field. In design B, the form uses a mixture of drop-down menus, radio buttons and text fields. And which of the following predictions is most likely to be true? So, answer that question, and then we'll move on to the next area of the syllabus, which is visual design.